In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backup on Elementor. We're going to walk through a simple way to create a backup of your Elementor content using the built-in WordPress export tool. This is a great habit to have before making big design changes, updating plugins, or trying out a new theme, because it gives you a safety net you can restore from later. First, start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the main control panel for your website. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a list of options like posts, media, pages, and so on. What you're looking for here is the option labeled Tools. Move your mouse over the Tools menu item. Don't click yet, just hover your cursor over it. When you do that, a small submenu will appear right next to it. From that submenu, click on Export. This is the built-in WordPress feature that lets you download your site's content as a backup file. After you click Export, WordPress will take you to a new page that asks you what you'd like to export. Here, you'll usually see an option for all content, as well as more specific options such as only pages, only posts, or other content types, depending on your setup. If you want a complete backup of your Elementor work, it's generally best to choose all content. This ensures that not only your pages and posts are included, but also your Elementor templates and any related content that might be attached to them. If you only want to back up specific pages, for example, a section of your site you're about to redesign, you can choose the Pages option instead. Once you've made your choice, scroll down to the bottom of that page. You'll see a button labeled Download Export File. Go ahead and click that. Your browser will start downloading a file to your computer. This file will be in XML format. Think of this XML file as a structured package that contains your pages, posts, Elementor templates, and their associated content. It doesn't look pretty if you open it, but it's exactly what WordPress needs if you ever want to import this content back into a site. Make sure you save this XML file somewhere safe and organized, such as a backup folder on your computer or an external drive. That way, if you ever need to restore your Elementor content or move it to another WordPress site, you'll have everything ready to go.